Hi team, this is Ravi from Bhumi team. So in this session, we are going to be discuss about system D service on Linux environments, which is used for auto restart Bhumi atom or molecule nodes whenever server is rebooted. So let me share my screen and try to explain what the service file we are going to be configure and which location, and we'll perform some operations: start, stop, enable, and and check practically. Let me share my screen. So now you will able to see my screen, right? This is Red Hat Linux OS we are currently using. So in this level, currently we are on home directory of service user. Now I'm going to the path where init file been created. Here init file means the system D service file. Usually that is having extension of that service. So prefix is mostly we can use that atom name dot service to initiate the process. Let me go to the location cd slash etc slash system d slash system. So in this location, I have already created the file that is atom test uh, one.service. So parallelly, I have created uh, atom in my console level that is currently in stop state. So this service we are going to be perform some operations like start stop operations, and we'll try to check restart the server also how it will be auto initiate the process running. So before doing that, performing that operation, now we are going to be discuss about what it contains, that service file. Especially in this service file, we have three sections. One is init, another service, and install section. When coming to this unit section, so we have mainly description parameter means what is the purpose of for the script. It's the kind of information, and mainly after this is the parameter will check after coming up the server is that network service is up or not. This is mainly checking all the network service up. It would be good practice to bring up the atom or molecule node. And another one is requires mount for. This is the path where we been installed our atom or molecule. Now I'm specified as atom location. If you are using a molecule, you can use molecule mount point in this level. Okay. Another one is service level. Service level uh, mainly uh, we have mainly service related components. It will be uh, specify, especially we know that systemctl is a root level command, but our Boomi components should know it would be better to install in service user. That is recommended by Boomi as well. So the service user credential, whatever we have configured or installed that are components will be specified over here like user details and group name. Okay. And restart status. So when we are planning to initiate this service, to bring up actions like start stop. So restart always means it will take the action whenever the atom is down. It automatically bring up the nodes. Mainly this will be useful rolling restart level. It will be helpful for us to bring up the nodes automatically. Okay. And the coming to the exec start, exec stop, exec reload commands, it's having the path where actual are atom or molecule nodes to bring up the service like an atom start stop. It having complete path where it been installed. And last one is install section. In this section, main use of this section is wanted by parameter. It will be indicating that we are going to be perform this action at system level service, not user specific. Means it is a root level, and whenever the complete system level any operations or process are running, it will be considered as a multi-user target. Okay, let me check the status of this service currently. So currently we are in service user. So I'm, as it is, systemctl root user. So I'm using sudo command, sudo systemctl status atom test services. Now it is in inactive dead mode. So I'm planning to start the service. So before that, I would like to check the status of atom. Currently it is down state, right? So this is the atom one we tried, which is on offline mode. Let me bring the service. Here I'm replacing this start instead of status. Let me check the status. Now it is in active mode. Let me check the status of this atom. Now it's in online mode. So means, so with the systemctl, even system admin can perform these actions at root level as well. Okay. So apart from that, we have a couple of other commands also need to be discussed. That is, sudo systemctl daemon reload. So this is mainly used whenever we have a change on that service file, any modifications or parameter update, we should be run this first, and then we should be enable that service using that sudo systemctl enable atoms dot service. It will be enabled system these services actually. And if you want reload and restart the configuration files, you can use that, systemctl reload or restart atom service. Okay, so this will be initiate the process of uh, reload all system configuration files and restart the service as well. After that, if it is regular process of it is no changes on service file, if you want to perform some operations like start, stop, check the status, we can use rest of the commands like sudo systemctl start, stop, status. Okay. So coming to this reboot level, how it will be react, right? So now I'm going to be stop the service completely. I mean server, and we'll check whether it will be auto restart whenever server is up. So currently the Atom is installed on this EC2 instance level. Now I'm going to be stop the service instance. Okay, let me check the status of the Atom. It is went down. You can see this, right? So let me check the status of the Atom. So it is stop state. Now I'm planning to bring up this service. It is in pending state coming up that instance. We'll wait. We need to wait some time to bring up the server. Finally, we'll try to check what is the status of Atom. It's still in offline mode. It will take some time. We should be wait status should be 2 by 2 checks until come up instance with all services up and running network level as well. as we mentioned in dot service file, network related component after parameter. Still initializing. Meanwhile, try to connect putties to check the status. Putty. So let me check the status of. I'm just trying to refresh this page. Still initializing. Meanwhile, I go to this location, cd slash etc slash system d slash system system pwd. Currently, the current location. I'm listing the files. Let me check the status of this instance. It's still initializing. Parallel, will try to check the status of Atom. See, you can see this in auto online. So whenever the server is app, so the systemctl command will take initiation and try to bring up the service automatically. So let me check the status. Sudo sys system ctl status atom test one dot service. Now it's running more. So that is the reason it's showing an online. So I hope I have covered all the information, whatever is required to configure the process of auto restart using systemd service. Okay, thank you.